Hello, good morning, everyone. Hello, my name is Joel Angelo Villaluz, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to book a flight online. First thing you need to do is find a browser. You can use any kinds or any types of browsers that you want to open. So, first thing we need to do is find a browser, and we have here is Google Chrome right here. So click and open Google Chrome. There you have it, and then click and type Expedia. Just press and click press enter, and there you have it. So Expedia is a site or website that gives more cheaper and an organized um, booking. You can book a flight, book a, book any accommodations, book a rental cars. You can also book in some kind of packages also. Also Expedia also offer an app, a platform, Expedia platform app that you can download it in the Google Play Store. So don't worry if you don't want to download it. You can just open your browser and search the Expedia. They have there the website that you want to use. So this is the website they have. So let's just click here, and there you have it. So in Expedia, there are some options: is stay, flights, cars, and packages. So let's maybe and then things to do. So maybe let's choose the packages. So that in packages is because it is actually a complete set of package. When you say package, there's kasama na dun yung flight mo, yung stays mo, mga accommodations, cars, and yung lugar na depende na kung saan ka pupunta. Bibigyan ka nila ng offer ng mga iba't ibang uh, activities na pwede mong puntahan sa lugar na yun. So, we have here the flight. Um, Wait. So, leaving from, so let me use this. So, leaving from, I'm from Manila. We're gonna leave from Manila. Let's just type Manila, and that will shows, yeah, just press enter. There's no options. Okay. So, Manila from Philippines. So, we're gonna leave from Manila to going to. mm, so going to Malaysia. So there are different types of different types of options that you can choose from to land, no, to land in Malaysia. So where to Malaysia? Maybe I'll just gonna choose Lumpur. Yeah, I'm just gonna choose Lumpur. Yep, I'm gonna choose Lumpur as my base on where to land. So date is what date is today? 17. Maybe I'll go a flight with here and I'll be traveling there in 3 days and 2 nights. So we'll be coming there in, of course, in daylight, in the daytime, and going back there at the daytime again. So that should be a total of 3 days. So we should be traveling in Malaysia in 3 days and 2 nights in total. So here we go. Done. Yep, I'm done. And now, yep, this actually the right options. So there are also options that you want to choose from, if how many travelers that you will be having. So I'll be having two. That is the exact amount that I need, because it's me and my girlfriend that will be traveling. So two adults, no children and no infants, just two adults. Nope, I really don't need in an it's not that I don't need any accommodations. It's just that it says here it's I only need accommodation for part of a trip. So actually I also need the for rental cars, so I'm not gonna check that one out. So let me check this one. Ooh, do I need to press this one? No. It says search. Wait. Yeah, the type of we also have here the type of a flight. We have here economy, premium economy, business class, and first class. So we'll be having here is business class. There you have it. And also stay. Okay, just checking, just checking. Okay, 3 days and 3 nights. No, maybe actually, yeah, I'm just no. There you go. I just be booking for 2 days in my accommodations, because just like what I said before, um, I'll be um, I'll be there in 3 days in Malaysia, so a total of 2 days is actually enough to book in accommodations of 5-star hotel. So I plan on to accommodate to in a 5-star hotel. So 2 days is enough for me, because tomorrow morning is I actually plan on going back on Philippines. So that's the total of 3 days and 2 nights. Okay, we're done. So maybe yeah, let's press search. Wait, business class, and then press search. Wait, let me check this. Double check it. Yep, a room. Yep, press search. Loading. We're just waiting for the buffering loading of the screen. And there you have it. We have some options here. It's not actually. They said it's we couldn't find any business class flight from Manila to. Oh, that's just sad. So let's go back. Let's see what's the problem here. yeah, let's filter this out one. Oops. Okay. Ano? Silip-silip mo dyan. Kami nga. So let's filter this out. Of course, breakfast included. We what? Hotels included. I want some food included. Of course, in the city center in Kuala Lumpur, it's actually so many activities that I can do in this city in Kuala Lumpur in the center. Okay, part part hotel. Yeah, maybe. So of course, our goal is to book a 5-star hotel. So let's just gonna click here in a 5-star hotel. Mm-hmm. Yeah, maybe it's just gonna here center. Yep. Of course, it's good. Should be wonderful. The guest rating, all amenities, of course, Wi-Fi included. I need that. Pet friendly. I don't really have a pet. Well, I do have a cat pet, but I'm not gonna go in Malaysia with my pet cat. So water park, hot tub. I want this. Casino. I should maybe, but no thanks. Gym. Yeah, I want gym. Spa. I also want spa. Kitchen. Maybe. Of course, air conditioned. Washer and dryer. Yes, of course, this also included. Outer space, no thanks. Yeah, but maybe just just in case. Parking, yeah, because I'll be rent a car in Malaysia. Trips, ocean view, that also. Just in case if the car is an electric car, we should check this one out too. Restaurant, of course. Golf course, nah. Bar, yes. So popular locations. Yeah, Twin Tower. If I know Petronas Towers in Malaysia, so let's check that. Wait. Yeah, Twin Towers. Fully refundable property. No, no thanks. Dinner included, lunch included. Actually, let's just check all the inclusive. Yep. Let's just check this. Family friendly. Maybe. Let's include this one. Oh, adults only. Studio. Number of bedrooms. I don't need to check that. Accessibility. Elevator. I want some elevator. Wait, let me check more. Roll in showers, yes. And again, service animal allowed, but I don't um actually don't have the plan to go to shopping with my pet. So no thanks. Stay free path to entrance. Yeah, sure, why not? Accessible bathroom, of course. In room accessibility, yes. Wheelchair. Don't think so. Yep, this one, VIP access properties. I'll be including that, so that's done. Mm-hmm. Yo. Yep. Okay, okay, okay. Good, good. Neighborhood? What's neighborhood? Hey, what the? Sorry, I pressed the wrong button. Guest rating. Yep, wonderful. Just double checking my what I did. Nope, no need to fully refundable property. Oh, a pool. They have a pool here, but that's only just a pool. So let's find more. So mostly of this one is only have a pool. So hey, they have a pool, kitchen, washer dryer. I like this one. I'll be going back to you later. I'll just be checking on the other accommodation that they can offer. Mostly they only have a pool and a kitchen, so not bad. Wait, let me check this one again. Just press search. Yep, yep. They only have this one, so there's no hot tub in here. My goodness. Hey, hot tub. Hey. Yep. Let's go back. Yep. There's no. There's nothing else. Yep. Let's go back. Where's it? Where's that thing? Ah, here you go. Scarlet suit. LCCM suit. Okay. Let's click here. Let's choose this one as our a five-star hotel accommodations. Ooh, outdoor space. Uh, Parking available. Washer. I need this too. The others is just a bonus. I only need this too for necessities. You know, washing my daily clothes. Mm-hmm. so they can offer actually a types of room also. So they have here the executive double room, your studio suite. Mm-hmm. Free Wi-Fi. Let's compare this to two queens, two queen bed, or actually need one bed for a two people. So they don't have the so let's just type it. Hmm. So they don't actually have. Okay, let's just select this one. Let's just wait for the loading. Hmm. So this is actually the time that you need to depart and be on. You can choose this one and two options here. So yep, this on this two only. Hmm. This is gonna be hard though. This is gonna be hard though. Yeah, I'll be choosing the plus uh 0 pesos because it's more cheaper and uh, the also the time that I'll be departing. Yeah, because I plan to depart on Malaysia on the daytime, so this should be the best options that we could pick kaysa naman doon sa 17 to 21, which means in military time 5 to um, 9, tama ba? Yeah, 5 to 9. So that's out of the options. So we have here the hmm, the 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 departure to going to home. Okay, 11, 11, 22, 22. Yeah, I don't plan to um, go in a flight in a night time, so this will be my options here, this one and this one. So maybe I'll be choosing this one. Yep. Maybe let's go back again because before I depart from Malaysia, I would also like to have an activity to do before going back in the Philippines. So maybe I'm wrong in choosing in 8 a.m. flight. Maybe there. Here you go. Yep, 11:26. This should be enough. Ah man, the loading, bro. The loading. So yo, here you go. We do also need to have our tours and activities. I am planning to have an activity per day, so we should do 3 activities per day. So later on, we'll be choosing some activities that we're gonna do in Malaysia. First, we're just gonna double check what we book in. Okay, that should be right. So there's no rental car here. Where's the rental car? I know there's a rental car here somewhere. There's none, no? Ooh, they also have this kind of offer. Hmm. Hmm. What to pick on first? Hmm. So I'll be. Yep. I'll be gonna pick this first. Because of course I'm nasa galing akong flight, so mas maganda kung pipili natin muna ang first activities or tour na pupunta natin is this place. Of course kasi galing kang biyahe, so pagod ka niyan, gutom, so pipili natin muna to. Yep. Two adults. Wait, what's the difference? Oh, this one is for dinner. No, no, no. I'll be choosing this one. So that will be our first activities that we'll be doing when we go to Malaysia. So after that, we'll be maybe traveling. Oh, I like this one. Yeah, this one, the Twin Tower admission ticket. Yep. Wait, let me double check some. The Twin Towers. Let me check the time, the availability time. So also if you're gonna um pick an activities, there are also some details that you need to know. So there are times that they do also have, they like this one. They do 9 hours, 1 hour, and 8 hours. 20. It's a full package tour. Okay, that's 3 hours, 7 hours. Hmm. Maybe let's gonna go with this one. No, this one. I want this one. So two adults. Here we go. That will be our second activities for the first day of in Malaysia. So the night time of activities we'll be doing. Let's say, here we go. Yep, a night tour. So wait, let me check what time. It's actually 7 hours. My goodness. Two adults. Cool. And there we have it. So we have the three activities per day. So let's choose the activities for our second day in Malaysia. So maybe let's um let's pick the 24 hours tour. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, maybe let's pick this one. This will be for our second day in Malaysia. Two adults. Okay, add to package. There you have it. So that's the first activities in our second day in Malaysia. Hmm. Yeah, maybe it's too much. Wait, let me rethink that one. Let me rethink. Let's remove this package. That's too much. That's a full day, so I don't wanna have a 2 day full day of tour. Maybe let's go in here. Yeah, for a second day tour. Wait, what's the difference? They're the same though. Lol. Right? They're the same though. Okay, they're the same. Starting time maybe, yeah, 10. I can do that. Add the package, and then maybe add this one. Oh yeah, no, I already add that one though. So maybe this one for our second activities for the second day of in Malaysia. For two people, starting time. The other one is will be starting in 10. So yeah, maybe I'll be doing that. I'll be doing this first, and the second one would be the Twin Tower tour thing. Yeah, and lastly, I'll be doing this last activities for my second day in Malaysia. Yeah, totals 7K, and it's complete. I know there should be. I know there should be a rental car hailing options, but I don't see it though. I really don't see it. Well, anyway, let's click here in the final details for the double checking for the booking on going to Malaysia. Good news. Hey, it increased by 41% some centavos. What the? Okay. What the? What's this? No thanks. Title. Mr. Yeah, man, just Mr. First name, last name. Oh, they already got my information though. What the heck? So, this is the correct information that they got. Because I'll be having a new traveler, miss. That should be my Joa, my girlfriend. Her name is Isabel. Oh, wait. Romero. Philippines. Yep. Female. Birth. Um, what? What her birth again? I forgot though. November 16. Yep. 1999. Where's 1999? There you go. Okay, okay. Good, good. Where's the rental? And we also have here the payment method. We have here the visa. And after you gave the information that they will be needing, like um, personal information like this one, your name, your phone number, passport, what kind of passport of country where you're from, birth, of course, birth certificate, date of birth. There's more options here. Yeah. So after that, you will be going to in the payment method, which is you will be filling up the blank of this piece of cards. Filling that, you will be after you filling all the information that you need to give them. You'll be clicking this complete booking, and you'll be good to go. Actually, don't have security code 1234 123. Yeah, after that, click booking, and if there are some errors, they'll be showing you what is here, and you can just click jump to the first invalid, and there you have it.